The beach is booming here. Alex, tell us what's going on Fort Myers Beach? What's open? Is it doom and gloom here? What's going on?
Folks, we are having a blast. Nothing's holding us back. We have events coming up about every other week around the community. We're having a blast. There's 26 restaurants and bars open on the beach right now. And I know I've been at least to half of them since the beginning of the year. So what are you waiting for? Come on and enjoy.
Live music, the beach is booming. It is an amazing time to come and check out Fort Myers Beach. We're 30 minutes away from the airport, direct flights from all over the country, investment opportunities, building opportunities. Now is the time. Don't miss out on this boat. We are here. My name is Mark DeVries, president of Tri-Town Construction. I'm here with Alex King, the king of real estate here on Fort Myers Beach. Call us, click the link below. We want to help. We are here, local, boots on the ground.
We're here for you. Let's do it.